A very good morning, students. So, children, as you all know, we have completed our syllabus for the final term, and now from today onwards, let's going to do the revision. So, we're going to start it from lesson number 13 because from lesson 13 to 19, okay, these chapters will come in your final exam. Okay, so lesson 13 celebrations. Okay, children, all of you take out page number 67 with me. Okay, so here it is written, we celebrate many days throughout the year. Okay, and we celebrate festivals, special days. They all are special to us. We celebrate them with excitement and joy. So throughout the year, we celebrate many days. Okay, in the form of what? Festivals, wedding, birthdays, and many other. Okay, now let's come to religious festivals. Okay, let's start with Diwali. Hindu, they celebrate Diwali and it is the festival of lights. People decorate their houses with candles, diyas and colorful lanterns. People exchange sweets and gifts with their friends and relatives. All wear new clothes, offer their prayers to Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesh. Okay, so the main thing, Diwali, it is the festival of lights, and during this festival, people they exchange sweets and they give gift to their friends, relatives, and they wear new clothes and uh, they offer praise. Where pray to whom? To Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesh. Now come to Holi. Holi again, it is the festival of Hindus and it is the festival of colors, and it marks the end of spring. Children, what do? They play with watercolors and water balloons. People throw colors on each other on this day. On this day means Holi. Okay, now come to the next page, 68. Okay, so now come to other religious festival, and that is Christmas. Christmas, okay. Christians celebrate the birthday of Jesus Christ every year on 25th December. So 25th of December, Christian, they celebrate Christmas. And what is Christmas? Is the birthday of Jesus Christ. It is known as Christmas. Children wait for Santa Claus to come and give them gifts. Christmas tree is decorated and people sing carols on this day. Okay, now come to Eid. Now what is Eid? It is a festival of Muslims. What do they do on Eid? They go to mosque and offer namaz. They embrace each other and say Eid Mubarak. Now the last one is Guru Purab. Guru Purab, it is also one of the festival and it is the festival of Sikh. Sikhs celebrate Guru Nanak birthday. Okay, so on this day, Sikh, they celebrate Guru Nanak birthday and they offer their prayer where? Gurudwaras and eat langars. Then a big procession passes through the city. So this was all about religious festival. Okay, children, now we'll do the exercise. Okay, children, this is EVS worksheet. Okay, now here I have given you 4 questions. Okay, in this you just have to take the correct one. Take the correct option. Number 1 is, which is the festival of colors? Option I have given 3 options. A. Holi, B. Diwali, C. Guru Purab. Your answer is A. Holi. Now come to 2. On which day Muslims say Eid Mubarak? A. Option Eid, B. Holi, C. Christmas. Answer is A. Eid. Now 3. Christmas is the birthday of option A. Jesus Christ, B. Option Guru Nanak, and C. Gandhiji. Your answer is Jesus Christ. Now 4. The festival of light is A. Option Independence Day, B. Holi, and C. Diwali. Your answer is Diwali. Diwali is festival of lights. So this was all about today, and now tomorrow again we will meet, and tomorrow we are going to continue same lesson, that is lesson 13, celebrations. Tomorrow we will going to see some more festivals. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care.